Hi everybody, in this video we see exercise 2.10, the one more questions. So first question is, the Euclid's division lemma states that for positive integers a and b are, there exists unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r must satisfy. So r is the remainder. If you divide one number, then that is b value, then the remainder condition is 0 less than or equal to or less than b, because r is 0 or more than 0 and then less than b only. We are used in problem also. This is the condition, or condition. Okay, so we are memorize that one. So how to understand means, the answer is 0 or more than 0 and less than b. If you take some value, some a is equal to 8, then b is equal to 4. So we divide 2 4s are 8. So the remainder is 0. So 0 or more than 0. If same 8 is divided by another number 5. So 1 5 is 5, remainder is 3. Okay. So this is less than b. That is the matter. Less than 5. Okay. So this is the condition, less than b. So 0 less than or equal to or less than b. Okay. Okay. Second question. Using Euclid's division lemma, if the cube of, this is very important, if the cube of any positive integer is divided by 9, then the possible remainders are. So the remainders means, if you follow 9, so 9 is not divisible by 1 or 2, but divisible by 3. So we take b is equal to 3. So we divide 3 3s are 9 0. So we condition is 0 less than or equal to or less than 3, because we take b is equal to 3. So the in between value is 0 1 2. So this is the reminders. These are or. Okay. So this remainder is a cube. So 0 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube means 0, 1, 8. So this is the answer A. Then third sum, if the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressed in the form of 65m minus 117, then the value of m. So very easy one. First we take HCF between 65, 117. So we take 117 is equal to 65 into q and r we calculate. So 117 divided by 65 means 165 65 balance 52. So we write into 1 plus 52. Then move this side. So 65 is equal to, here b is equal to 52. So 1 times. So the remainder is 13. Now we write 52 here and 13 here. So 13 into how many times? 4 times means 52. So the remainder is 0. So where the remainder is 0, then the b value is HCF. So we take HCF is equal to 13. Now 65m minus 117 is equal to HCF. This is given. Okay. So 65m is equal to, we add it 130. So m is equal to 130 by 65 means 2 times. So m value is 2. Okay. We find out third sum. Then fourth sum, what is this one? The sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 1729. So first we take factorization 1729. So 7 table, 2 sevens are 14, then 4 sevens are, and then 7 sevens are 49. Then which table means 13. So 113 is 13. So balance 9 13. Okay. So 19. So the factors are 7 into 13 into 19. So the exponents means that is the powers. So here powers are 1 1 1. So we add sum of the exponents means 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3. So the answer is C, 3. Okay. Okay. Next, fifth sum, the least number means LCM, that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we take LCM means first take 2 table. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Again 2, 3 not divide, 1 2 is 2, 5 3 7, 2 2s are 4, 9 5. Again 2, 3 5 3 7, 1 2 is 2, 9 5. Again 3 table. So 1 3 is 3, 5, 1 3 is 3, 7, 1 3 3s are 9, 5. Again 3, 1 3 is 3. Again 5. So 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Last one 7. So all are 1. So these are the factors. So we multiply 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 7 means 8. 3 this are 9, 5 into 7 35. 8 9s are 72 into 35 means the answer is 2520. So the answer is option D. The next sum, sixth sum, 7 power 4k concurrent to remainder, what is that is the question, mod 100. So we take k is equal to 1. So 7 power 4 concurrent to remainder or mod 100. Okay. So 7 means 4 times. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 2401. So divided by 100 means 24 times 100, balance 1. Okay. So the remainder value is 1. So the answer is option A, 1. Then seventh sum, given f1 is equal to 1, f2 is equal to 3, and f1 is equal to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. Then fi is what? So very easy one. F1 given, f2 given, but we ask fi is equal to what? The condition is this one, because if you find f5 means we need f4 plus f3. N minus 1 means 4, n minus 2 means 3. But we don't know f4 and f3. So first we find out f3 and f4, then we substitute in f5. Okay. So first f3 means 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2 means f2 plus f1. So 3 plus 1, 4. Then f4 is equal to f3 plus f2. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now we find f5 is equal to f4 plus f3. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So the option D, 11, that is the answer. So n value is substitute and solve. Okay. Okay. Next, eighth problem. The first term of an arithmetic progression is unity. So a is equal to 1 and the common difference d is equal to 4. So which of the following will be a term of this AP? So the four options A, B, C or D. Okay. These four options, any one only satisfy the AP. The other three not satisfy. So which one is correct is we find out. So one by one we solve. First we take A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 4. First option A is equal to 4551. So this is the Tn is equal to. So formula is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 4551. A is equal to 1, n is equal to 4. So n minus 1 is equal to, here plus 1 go to minus 1, here 4 divided by 4. So 4550 by 4. We divide it, that is the point value, fraction value. So this is not a n value. This is not a negative value and the fraction value is not in n. So this is not in AP. Then option B, 10091. So a plus n minus 1 into d equal to, so 1 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to this value. So n minus 1 is equal to here minus 1 divided by 4. So 10090 by 4. Now we divide it, also fraction. So this is not in AP. Option C. So Tn is equal to 7881 means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 7881. So 1 plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 4. So 7880 by 4. We divide it, the whole number. So minus 1 go to this side, plus 1. So 1971. This is the whole number. So this value, option C, is in AP. Okay. So this is the 8th sum. 9th one. Easy one. If 6 times of 6th term of an AP is equal to 7 times the 7th term, then the 13th term of the AP is. So 6 times the 6th term equal to 7 times the 7th term. So what is 13th term? That is asked. So we, by using formula, 6 into T6 means A plus n minus 1 means 6 minus 1. So 5D is equal to 7 into A plus 6D. So we go to multiply, 6A plus 30D is equal to 7A plus 42D. So 7A minus 6A plus 42D minus 30D is equal to 0. So A plus 12D is equal to 0. So A plus 12D means A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So this is T13. So T13 value is 0. So the 9th answer, option A, 0. Then 10th sum. An AP consists of 31 terms. So n is given. If its 16th term is m, t16 is equal to m, that is given. Then the sum of all the terms of this AP. So Sn means S31 we find out. So S31, n is equal to 31, t16 is equal to m. So Sn formula is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S31 means 31 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 means 30d. So 31 by 2 into here 2 come to outside, so a plus 15d. So 2 cancel, 31 into a plus 16 minus 1 into d. So 31 into t16. This is written by t16. So t16 value is m. So 31m. So S31 is equal to 31m. Option C. Okay. Next 11th sum. In an AP, the first term is 1, a is equal to 1, and the common difference is d is equal to 4. So how many terms of the AP must be taken for their sum to be equal to 120? So Sn is equal to 120 and n is equal to what? That is the question. A is equal to 1 given, d is equal to 4, n not given, that is asked. So Sn is equal to 120. Okay. So Sn formula is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute 120 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 means 2 plus n minus 1 into 4. So multiply by 2, 240, n into 2 plus 4n minus n. So 240 is equal to 2n plus 4n squared minus 4n. So we write 4n squared, here minus means minus 2n. So write the equation 4n squared minus 2n minus 240 is equal to 0. Then divided by 2 means 2n squared minus n minus 120. So here value of 2 there. So 2 into 120 means minus 240. We multiply, get to minus 240, and then we add, get minus 1. So we take 15 and minus 16. So 15 into minus 16 means minus 240. 15 minus 16 means minus 1. So here 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. So n plus 15 by 2 is equal to 0. N minus 8 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 15 by 2. N is equal to 8. So this is not possible because of the negative value. So the answer is n is equal to 8. So the 11th sum option C is equal to 8. So 12th problem. If A is equal to 2 power 65 and B is equal to 2 power 64 plus 2 power 63 plus 2 power 62 plus dot 2 power 0. Which of the following is true? So 4 option is given. Which one is correct? We find out. So first we take A is equal to 2 power 65. Then we write B is equal to that. So how to write means 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 dot 2 power 64. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus dot 2 power 64. Here A is equal to 1, and then this is not in AP because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So no same value for D. Okay, not equal D. So we find out R value. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So this is the R value is 2. So this is in GP, and then R is equal to greater than 1 formula we use. Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 2 we know. So how to find n means, here 2 power 64 means 64 terms are there. No, because here 2 power 0. So we add extra 1. Okay. So n is equal to 65. We substitute 2 power 65 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 means B is equal to 2 power 65 minus 1. So compare A and B. So A is larger than B by 1. Here minus 1. So here 1 is greater. Okay. So the options are A. B is 2 power 64 more than A. No. A and B are equal? No. C. B is larger than A by 1. No. Less than 1. Okay. So the option D is A is larger than B by 1. That is the correct value. Okay. Next sum, 13th sum, very easy one. The next term of the sequence. So the one sequence is given. Then we find out the next term. So 3 by 16, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 18, dot dot dot. So A is equal to 3 by 16. Here R is equal to, we check R1, R2, that is equal. So this is in GP. Okay, so R value is equal to, we find out 1 by 8 into 16 by 3 means 2 by 3. So A and R known. But the next term means term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. So we find out T5. So A into R power 4. So A means 3 by 16, 2 by 3 power 4. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So we 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So the value is 1 by 27. So 13th question, the answer is 1 by 27. Next, the 14th sum. If the sequence T1, T2, T3 dot dot are in AP, then the sequence T6, T12, T8 dot 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 is what? Okay, so very easy one. T1 equal to 1, T2 equal to 2, T3 equal to 3 means difference is same. So this is in AP. So same thing here follows. T6, T12, T18 means T6 means 6, T12 means 12, T18 means 18. So the difference means 12 minus 6, 6, 18 minus 12 means 6. The difference is D is equal to 6. So this is also in AP. So the answer is B, an arithmetic progression. Okay. So we find out the loss sum, 15th sum, the value of this one. So very simple. We already solved in previous exercise. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dot 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 plus 15 cube minus 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 15. So n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole squared minus n into n plus 1 by 2. So 15 into 16 by 2 whole squared, 15 into 16 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. So 15 into 8 means 120 the whole squared minus 120. 12 into 12 means 144, 0 0 minus 120. So here subtracted. So the value is 14,280. So the option C is correct. This is the loss sum. Okay. So very easy one mark questions, but carefully solved and get the answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you.